What do you like to do when it rains outside? Do you like to play outside and get wet? Or do you like to stay inside where it's dry and warm? What about you, Imogene?
I like to hop in the rain.
Oh, Imogene likes to hop in the rain. That's so fun.
I like to hop in puddles.
For this song, we are going to pretend that we are playing in the rain, and then every once in a while, we need to run under a tree. Come here. For some shelter. If you have a grown-up nearby, they could pretend to be your tree, or you could have a pretend tree somewhere in your house, and that's your tree spot, okay? Later in the song, there's going to be a thunderstorm. So if you have a drum, you could use that for thunder, or if not, you can tap on your lap for the thunder, like this. I hear thunder,
Boom, boom.
I hear thunder,
Boom, boom.
boom. And then we see a lightning strike, and we're going to clap our hands. Try to follow along right with me. I see lightning strike. I see lightning strike. That's kind of tricky. Try it with me. Try to clap right when I clap. I see lightning strike. I see lightning strike. Nice. The last thing we have to do to get ready for this song is grab a shaker if you have one to make some rain sounds. You might want to take turns with your grown-up being the rain while you dance and play in this song. Are you ready? You ready, Imogene? Let's do it. Look at the rain coming down, coming down. Look at the rain coming down. Look at the rain coming down, coming down. Now get back under that tree. Let's run in the rain coming down, coming down. Run in the rain coming down. Run in the rain coming down, coming down. Now get back under that tree. Let's dance in the rain coming down, coming down. Dance in the rain coming down. Dance in the rain coming down, coming down. Now get back under that tree. Let's stomp in the rain coming down, coming down. Stomp in the rain coming down. Stomp in the rain coming down, coming down. Now get back under that tree. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I see lightning strike. I see lightning strike. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I see lightning strike. I see lightning strike. Uh-oh, there's a thunderstorm. We better go inside to stay safe. Let's keep dancing and playing to this song while we watch the storm outside. Are you ready? Let's jump while the rain's coming down, coming down. Jump while the rain's coming down. Jump while the rain's coming down, coming down. Now get back under that tree. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I see lightning strike. I see lightning strike. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I see lightning strike. I see lightning strike. Let's wiggle while the rain's coming down, coming down. Wiggle while the rain's coming down. Wiggle while the rain's coming down, coming down. Now get back under that tree. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I see lightning strike. I see lightning strike. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I hear thunder, boom, boom. I see lightning strike. I see lightning strike. Let's spin in the rain coming down, coming down. Spin in the rain coming down. Spin in the rain coming down, coming down. Now get back under that tree.
Hi kids, how are you? It's Forte the Lion and I missed you. Okay kids, have you ever heard thunder before? Oh, I love thunder because thunder is loud and Forte is loud. Thunder and Forte are loud. But remember kids, if you're outside and you hear thunder, the safest thing to do is go inside. Please listen to your mom and dad and go inside and listen to the beautiful thunder inside your home. Okay, kids, until next time, Forte the lion says over and out. Rah!